Imperative sentences give instructions, directions, or commands directly to someone. They speak directly to the listener using action verbs. This is part of the English Learning from Scratch series. Imperative sentences give commands, instructions, or requests to the listener. They have an implied subject you, telling someone to do something directly. They usually end with a period or an exclamation mark to show urgency. Imperative sentences follow the formula U plus base verb plus object, but U is usually implied and not written. They always start with the base form of the verb with no to and no changes for person or time. Examples are sit down, close the door, pass the salt. Everyday commands include close the door, sit down please, pass the salt, be quiet. Classroom instructions are open your books, listen carefully, raise your hand, write your name. Notice each starts with the action verb. Negative imperatives use do not or don't plus the base verb. The formula is don't plus base verb. Examples are don't touch that, don't be late, don't run here, don't forget. Don't always comes before the action verb. The imperative mood gives commands, orders, or requests and usually omits the subject you. It uses the base form of the verb and can be affirmative or negative. Examples are stop, please sit down, don't be late, help me with this. Practice by writing 3 positive commands like sit, stand, listen. Write 3 negative commands like don't run, don't shout. Identify imperatives from mixed sentences and convert go home to reported speech. Practice these with audio narration for mastery. Positive imperatives use base verbs like sit, go, listen with implied you subject and period or exclamation mark. Negative form uses don't plus base verb like don't run, don't touch. Practice daily commands to master imperative sentences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.